Trading options is very exciting, and you're probably wondering what you're going to need to get started. Well, to get started trading options, the first thing you're going to need is a brokerage account that's geared towards option trading. When opening a brokerage account, you'll want to consider two things. One, the commissions or the costs that are involved with trading options, and how easy it is to actually buy and sell the options. Some of the easiest brokerages to buy and sell options include Robinhood and TD Ameritrade, and each will have their own features. However, not all brokerages offer the same information that you'll need to be successful. And others might overwhelm you with data that you probably don't need. The key is to find a balance and learn to use a brokerage or a platform that works best for you. My favorite brokerage firm for trading in general is Interactive Brokers, but the platform can also be a little intimidating at the beginning. So you might want to check out their iPhone or Android app because it's more intuitive and works really well, especially for beginners. But their desktop tool is incredible as well. Also, I highly recommend starting with a paper trading account. And I opened a paper trading account with Interactive Brokers just for the purposes of this course. This type of account will allow you to place trades without using real money. It's an ideal platform to practice on, to learn the platform, as well as hone in your investing skills. And then, once you're confident, you too can start trading like a pro with real money. Now, once you've decided on the brokerage account, you'll need to get approved for options with a specific level by the brokerage. And most brokerages use levels 1 to 5, but they might be different from brokerage to brokerage. However, for the purposes of this course, requesting level 4 access should allow you to pretty much do everything you need.